green color, red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, and brown color. It's now you draw A and use green color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use red color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use yellow color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much. Orange color, light green color, black color, dark green color, sky blue color, light pink color, brown color, dark pink color, yellow color, purple color, red color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use yellow color. D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat. It's now you draw H and use light green color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker. Kids, now you draw K and use dark pink color. K for king, L for lion, M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use orange color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use purple color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use sky blue color. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Black color, yellow color, blue color, light pink color, red color, dark green color, purple color, dark pink color, orange color, sky blue color, light green color, and brown color. Kids, now you draw 1 and use yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use black color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use blue color. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15 and use light pink color. 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use green color. 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22 and use brown color. 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26 and use orange color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.